Do you want to publish thousands of unique recipe articles just one click? Don't worry, this is our AI generated recipe article. It includes recipe, ingredient, step-by-step information, recipe, image, videos, and proper on-page optimization. Today, I will show you how you generate exactly this type of recipe article using our AI Buster tools. In the last video, we already discussed PA automation, info automation, and versus automation. You can check the video description for the previous video. So now let's talk about our new module called recipe automation. First, I log in to our aibuster tools. It's quite similar to the previous one, but don't worry, I will give you the quick summary. First, like before, you need to add the website where you want to publish the article. To add your website, just click the following button. First, provide the website URL. This is my website URL. Then you can add a title. It can be anything you want, just a simple name to identify your website. After that, you enter your WordPress username. This is my WordPress username. After that, finally, you need to enter your app password. To generate the app password, go to the website profile and scroll down a bit, and you can see application password section. Here you can generate your app password. Once you have generated the app password, this is my app password, just fill up the password field and click the save button. It will add your website to the system and you will be all set. To publish multiple recipe article, choose publish bulk article in this module. For the single recipe article, click the publish single article. The single article option is primarily designed for who want to add a personal touch to AI generated articles. So I am currently in bulk mode. Here first you need to provide the keyword, then you have to select the image source. After that you need to select the image quantity, and if you want to add video, just select the video quantity. Then you can select your language, then just select your website and you can see your website category. Just select the category. Next you have three options here. If you want, you can publish them immediately or save them as a draft, or if you want, you can schedule them from here. After set up the settings, just click the submit button. It will take about 1 to 3 minutes for each post to publish. Okay, so let's wait few minutes for published one article. Wow, I see that it's success. Let's check the post. Yes, it's published. And I see that it have recipe, ingredient, a step-by-step instruction, recipe image, recipe FAQ, and recipe video. Looks so good. Okay, that's it. You can join our official Facebook group for instant help. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will back with another aibuster module.